Hey guys, what's up? It's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back with another makeup tutorial for you guys, and this one is really special because for today's video we created this look using the one and only the Alamar Cosmetics and Disney's Encanto collaboration. I am so freaking proud of Alamar Cosmetics and Gabby. The collaboration is gorgeous, it's colorful. I want to show you guys this eyeshadow palette because look at this palette. How freaking gorgeous is this palette? I stuck to more of the green tones because I feel like I've been doing tons of pinky looks recently, so I wanted to do something a little bit more cool tone, so I stuck to the green tones. I want to show you guys the blush because the blush is my absolute favorite. If you know me, you know how much I love my pinky tone blushes. So when I saw this, I got really excited. I created this makeup look. It's bold, it's colorful, but that's the whole theme of the collection. So I really wanted to go all out and just do the damn thing. So because Gabby did a damn thing on this collection, so I wanted to kind of embody that. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I created this super colorful makeup look, then definitely go ahead and keep on watching. Alrighty, you guys, let's go ahead and get started with this beautiful collection by Alamar Cosmetics and Disney's Encanto. I'm going to start by priming my eyelids using a concealer, and then I'm going to set the eyelids with a powder to make sure there are no creases. Going in with the gorgeous eyeshadow palette, I'm going to take the shade Vine Time, and I'm going to use this in the crease, and this is going to be our transition shade. So I'm taking my time, really buffing that up there and just building the product, because at first it goes on really nice and soft, but I added a couple layers to get it really nice and intense. Next, we're going to go ahead and take the shade Colombia, and I'm going to put this in the outer corner of the eyes, and then I'm going to slightly bring it up towards the crease and towards the inner corner. I love this shade. It is the perfect shade of green. I love it so much. I'm going to go ahead and take a clean, fluffy brush, and I'm going to make sure that all of the colors are nice and blended together and that there is no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to go ahead and take a concealer, and I am going to be cutting the crease, cleaning up the lid so everything is nice and clean for the next shade, which is Porque I Can, and I'm going to put that in the inner corner of the eyes. This is a really pretty glittery green shade, and then I'm going to take the shade Encanto, and I'm going to put that in the center of the eyelid. So as you can see, we kind of created a gradient effect. We went from a really light green to more of like that dark, beautiful green shade, and I always keep my brushes handy nearby so that I can go in and clean anything up. Next up, I'm taking the purple liner that came in the collection. We have a green liner and a purple liner. I decided to go with the purple, and I'm just going to be creating a regular wing liner, but I decided to do something a little bit more graphic liner type. So I did take this liner up in the crease just a bit, and honestly, I feel like the liner made the look that much prettier. Like, I love this look. I'm gonna go ahead and take a makeup wipe and just wipe off any of the excess fallout, and then I go back in with the purple liner just to add some more layers to make it really nice and intense. I'm gonna take the Colombia shade once again, and I'm gonna put that in the lower lash line, right, like really tight lining the eye with this shade. And then I'm going to take a mixture of Jaguar Parking and Vine Time, and I'm going to really take my time and blend these eyeshadows in the lower lash line to make the bottom lashes look nice and smoky. So I did do my face makeup off camera because I really just wanted to focus on this collection, but I am going to go ahead and take the blush in the color I Am Blossom. You guys, this blush is the perfect pinky shade. I love this blush. And then I'm taking the highlight in Flex Alert. I love this highlight. It has more of like a pinky undertone, and I'm going to use this as my blush topper to make my cheeks look nice and glowy. I also use this in the inner corner of the eyes and down the bridge of the nose. Now moving on to the lips, I'm going to be taking the shade Mirabella, and I'm going to apply this all over the lips, and then I'm going to use the gloss in the shade Mirabella as well. And this gloss is super pigmented. I was super blown away at how pigmented the gloss is. It looks like a lipstick, but it's actually a lip gloss. And yeah, this is a completed look, you guys. I am so happy with the way that it came out. I love it so much, and I hope you guys love it too. That is going to complete this video. How freaking stunning was everything that I shared? Everything was beautiful, from the packaging to the application to the actual product itself. Everything just worked so seamless. Even the highlight. I am not a huge highlighter person. Let me show it to you guys. I'm not a huge highlighter person, but I love this highlight because it has a little bit of a pinky undertone to it, and it did not emphasize my texture. It really blended in seamlessly into the skin, which we love. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description. I'm going to have the whole collection linked for you guys. I believe I saw it on her stories. When you guys ordered the whole collection, you actually get this stunning box that you can gift someone for Christmas. You can put the box under the Christmas tree. I actually got a couple things from the collection to give to my niece for Christmas, so I'm excited for her to see that. But yeah, that is going to complete today's video, Gabby. I am so freaking proud of you, and I cannot wait to continue to see you grow, see your brand grow. I'm so excited. I feel like I did something, but I didn't, and that's just amazing. So I love you so much. Thank you for watching today's video. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you can get notified every single time I upload. I love you all, and I'll see you on the next one. Mwah! Bye!